Welcome back, Crammers, to question 12. The diagram shows a box C and a carton C. The box B is in the shape of a cuboid, while the carton C is in the shape of an 8 by 8 centimeter cube. Martha is going to put as many cartons as possible into the box, considering she has enough cartons to do this. Martha would then fill the remaining space inside the box with packing material, work out the volume of space inside the box that Martha will fill in with packing material. So that means she can put in as many cartons as she wants into the box, but there will be a leftover space afterwards. She will then fill this with packing, and this is the volume that we are supposed to find. First off, we can see that the cuboid does not contain enough multiples for 8. Firstly, we can see here that the length is 60 and the length for the carton is 8. We know that 60 is not a multiple of 8, but the closest one is 56. 56 is 8 times 7. Now, that means that we can fit 7 boxes like this. But there will be a space left over, and that's okay. Moving on, we have 20. The closest multiple is 16. 16 is essentially 8 times 2, so we can fit 2 boxes like this, but there will be a space left over. However, 24 is a multiple of 8, so we have to leave this as 24 because 24 is just 8 times 3. So that means they can put in 3 like this. Now, moving on, now that we know the total volume of B is given as 60 times 20 times 24, we then remove the volume of all the cartons. So that's simply 56 times 16 times 24. And that will give us the space left over. Now, whatever space is left over, she will then put in the packing material. So here we have 60 times 20 times 24 minus 56 times 16 times 24 gives us 7296. 7296 centimeters cubed. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.